Hello everyone. Let's talk about breathing new life into your older servers. If you're running Dell PowerEdge models like the R815, R820, T320, T420, or T620, you know how crucial reliable memory is. Today we're diving into the OWC 32GB DDR3L ECC registered memory upgrade kit. This kit consists of two 16GB DDR3L 1600MHz PC3L 12800 11 ECC registered DIMMs. Now, ECC register memory is specifically designed for workstations and servers, offering enhanced stability and data integrity. It's important to note that this memory type is not compatible with standard desktop computers and cannot be mixed with unbuffered memory. So, make sure you know what your system requires before purchasing. The key benefit here is maximizing your server's potential. Whether you're looking to extend the lifespan of your existing infrastructure or save some money on a new build, this OWC kit can provide a significant performance boost. The 1.35V low voltage design is also a plus, potentially reducing power consumption and heat generation. OWC also offers a consumer-friendly advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty, including free tech support. This gives peace of mind knowing that you're covered if any issues arise. Upgrading server memory can be a cost-effective way to improve performance and extend the life of your equipment. If you're working with compatible Dell PowerEdge servers, the OWC 32GB DDR3L ECC register memory kit is definitely worth considering. Just be sure to double-check compatibility and understand the difference between ECC registered and unbuffered memory before you buy.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.